bought an experimental aircraft. Thing is, it hadn't been flown in years. Follow along as we transform our Sonex from a fixer to a flyer.
Unbelievable. Only in aviation.
That's right, the Sonex is finally out of the garage and on its way to its new home. I was in a get stuff done mood, so shaky cell phone footage will have to do for this part. My mind was focused on the task at hand and honestly a little anxious about the trip. So much to consider, picking it up from New England, all that work in the garage, and it all came down to this. We got the fuselage unloaded and then hit the road again to get the wings. I was even more nervous on this trip, and everyone could tell. But many hands make light work, and we got the wings on before calling it a day. I was back at it again early the next morning to button some things up. I'm going through everything again, with the next step being a fresh condition inspection. And here it is, ready to run and do some taxi testing. As always, thanks for watching.